Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life, and today's video is a haul video for what I got that just released for Mother's Day. I kind of said that I was going to only shop during promos, but I couldn't. There were some pieces I just had to get my hands on. There's a ton of other pieces that I wanted, but since it's not promo shopping, I tried to control myself a little bit, and Presley got to pick a charm for herself too. So check out what I got from the Mother's Day collection. All right, we will do an official unboxing of all the pieces that I chose. And again, like I said, Presley chose one too. Oh, I got another one of these. Okay, so this we did in the Browse With Me catalog, but you guys, there's something different in here, and we're gonna look at this before we get into here because I did not see this, and I believe, look at what I just uncovered. Okay, this is for the US. May 2nd through May 6th. Receive a free bangle with your Pandora purchase of $125 or more. And this is, it looks like a 1 in a million clasp. That is a must-have, you guys. Okay, I guess I'm shopping between May 2nd and May 6th. I didn't even know. I guess we're gonna have another haul eventually. Okay, let's see what else do we have in this. Okay, so we have that. This just has some charms that we've kind of seen in the Browse With Me video if you didn't already watch that. What do we have over here? Okay, looks like we have some gift sets. $175 for that one. Comes with the mom charm clips, this bracelet. Over here is the family tree gift set. It says includes gift box. I wonder what that's gonna be like. And then with this adorable charm dangle. Limited edition bangle. This is the one with the built-in safety chain. That one's $90. Limited edition. I didn't know it was limited. Available April 18th while supplies last. Okay. What do we have over here? The little black and white page, the Pandora Tree of Life with their tree that they like to use. Okay, the best thing with this is what we discovered here with a free bangle. Cannot pass that up. Ugh, I'm pretty excited. Okay, all right, now let's get into the actual unboxing of these items that I picked. The one thing I did get is the limited edition bangle with the built-in safety chain. Let me zoom you in closer. So this safety chain has a little dangle, and in the center it has a little circle CZ, and the clasp on this just has a bunch of little circles with CZs in them, just kind of spotted, and the safety chain part has that as well. And this safety chain clips off. It's pretty cute. The best part of this bangle is the inscription, of course, which is the best part of all Pandora's bangles. And this one says 1 in a million. I love bangles with script in it. It's just such a collector's item, I believe. Okay, the next bracelet that I got is the Love Knot bracelet. I am just obsessed with what they are doing with these heart love knots. They kind of remind me of pretzels. You guys, if you follow me, you know I have an affinity for pretzels, as it's Presley's little nickname. And this...
Mom, can you share that pretzel jar
with you? And this just opens like that. Really easy to hook on and off. Whether or not it's meant for charms, I'm not sure. I believe you can put them on, but I think this is just going to be a really nice stacking piece. Really love this. They have this tiny little tag that says Pandora, And can you tell that that's a little heart cut out in there? Really cute. I fell in love with this the second I saw it. Next, we will open up, okay, this has one of my charms and one of Presley's charms. The next charm is one Presley picked. She just really wanted one of the new puppies, so I had to let her pick one. They're so cute with their little floppy ears. So adorable, in the little black enamel detailing in the eyes and the nose. And his, let's zoom in on this too, because how cute is this dog's little bone that has a heart in there. I'm not sure if you can be able to tell from here, but oh, it is so cute and so charming, so adorable. So Presley was really excited to pick out this one. I was really excited to get it for her. The next charm that I got is from the Shine collection, and it is this round ball in Pandora's Shine, and it says 1 in a million, and it has that heart detail. Look at it this way so you can see the 1 in a million. I'm working on a Shine bracelet, and this I thought was just a really nice charm to put on that. All right, one more little box. I did not go too crazy on this. The next charms Presley helped me pick out for Mother's Day, obviously. So these represent being a mom, and this charm has a lot of little hearts all over it. Okay, in the center it says Mom in a Million. That is so cute because I think there's nobody like Mom, right? That's true for everybody, no matter who you are, for the most part. And then on the back, it just has a little red heart CZ detail. I really like the hearts on these. The next charm also comes with a really cute inscription. There's a little crescent moon, and the inscription says, "Thank you for looking out for me," which is so cute. And then you have a window with the moon and stars. You guys all know I love my moon and stars. And when you open these little doors, it says Mom in there with some blue enamel. And these just remind me of looking outside after story time, and Presley and I are obsessed with the moon and stars, and we still say I love you to the moon and back. So this is just perfect for that. Last but not least, it started on Instagram from some Pandora sisters who had the recommendation that we all get this charm to represent our Pandora sisterhood. I've made so many friends just because of Pandora and Instagram and YouTube that I thought it was perfect, even though I have a sister. My sister and I have a lot of charms that are already very sister-like, so I definitely wanted to join in on the fun that this charm represents the sisters within Pandora. And it is this sister charm. The best part of this is all the stars are pink. Like, I love that this has stars and not hearts, because while I love the hearts, I really love stars. I really love pink, and I love that this represents the Pandora sisterhood. On the back of the charm, you've got little stars with just some oxidized detailing in there. And the cutest part of this charm, let's see, I'm gonna have to take this off for this. It says, "You don't always see them." See the little star detail there. And then on the back of this, it says, "But they are always there," with another little star. I think it's awesome and perfect, and I love it, and I love the idea of it representing sisters. There you have it. There's my haul. In the comments below, let me know which piece you liked best out of everything that I got. Oh, I'm so torn, but you guys, that bracelet, that knotted heart bracelet is so stunning. I feel like it's just gonna be so fun to play with. So that might be my favorite, which is hard to say because there's so many. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.